friends. I'm Ms. Ellie, and today is a very special day. It's Valentine's Day. Do you know why we celebrate Valentine's Day on February 14th? Let's hear a little story about a kind man named Valentine.
A long, long time ago in ancient Rome, there was a kind priest named Valentine. He loved helping people. At that time, the Emperor Claudius II believed that soldiers should not get married because he thought that unmarried soldiers were stronger and more focused. So, he made a new law that young people could not get married. Valentine did not agree with this rule. He believed that love is important. So, he secretly helped young couples get married so they could be together. When the emperor found out, he was very angry and put Valentine in prison. But even in prison, Valentine continued to bring people hope and kindness. One day, the jailer's daughter visited Valentine. She was a kind girl who often brought him food and paper to write on. They became good friends, talking and writing letters to each other every day. On February 14th, Valentine wrote her a letter and signed it with the words, "From your Valentine." This became the first Valentine's Day card in history.
Valentine's Day is a time to show love and kindness, not only to our families, but also to our friends and teachers. Let's celebrate together and learn some fun Valentine's Day words!
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is on February 14th, a day to celebrate love and friendship. Valentine.
Valentine.
Valentine means someone you choose to celebrate Valentine's Day with, like a partner or friend. Heart.
Heart.
The heart is a symbol of love and kindness. Love.
Love.
Love is caring for family, friends, and even pets. Friendship.
Friendship.
Friendship is sharing and being kind to others. Romance.
Romance.
Romance is about showing love and care for someone special. Valentine's cards.
Valentine's cards.
We make Valentine's cards to give to our friends. Envelope.
Envelope.
We put our Valentine's cards inside envelopes. Cupid.
Cupid.
Cupid is a little angel who spreads love with his magical arrows. Arrow.
Arrow.
Cupid's arrow is said to bring love and happiness. Roses.
Roses.
Roses are beautiful flowers, often given on Valentine's Day. Tulips.
Tulips.
Tulips are also popular Valentine's Day flowers. Bouquet.
Bouquet.
A bouquet is a bunch of flowers given as a gift. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate is a sweet treat we love to share on Valentine's Day. Candy.
Candy.
Yummy heart-shaped candies make Valentine's Day fun. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
A cute teddy bear is a lovely Valentine's gift. Hug.
Hug.
Giving a hug is a way to show love and care. Kiss.
Kiss.
A kiss on the cheek shows affection between family members. Ribbon.
Ribbon.
We tie ribbons around gifts to make them special. Gift.
Gift.
We give gifts to show appreciation for our loved ones. XOXO.
Xoxo.
XOXO means hugs and kisses in messages. Dinner date.
Dinner date.
Some people celebrate Valentine's Day with a nice dinner. Balloons.
Balloons.
Heart-shaped balloons make the classroom festive. Proposal.
Proposal.
A proposal is when someone asks their partner to marry them, often on Valentine's Day. Ring.
Ring.
Some people give rings as a symbol of love and commitment. Couple.
Couple.
A couple is two people who care about each other. Dance.
Dance.
Dancing together is a joyful way to celebrate. Red.
Red.
Red represents love and passion on Valentine's Day. Pink.
Pink.
Pink is one of the colors of love and joy. Happiness.
Happiness.
Valentine's Day is about sharing happiness with everyone.
Great job, everyone! Now let's see if you remember the words we learned. I'll give you some clues and you guess the right word.
Question 1. What symbol do we use to show love on Valentine's Day? Is it a star, a heart, or a square? That's right, it's a heart. Question 2. What do we write to give to our friends and family on Valentine's Day? Is it a poem, a card, or a book? Yes, it's a card. Question 3. What sweet treat do people love to give on Valentine's Day? Is it candy, popcorn, or bread? Correct. It's candy. Question 4. Which flower is famous for being a Valentine's Day gift? Is it a sunflower, a daisy, or a rose? Well done. It's a rose. Question 5. What little angel is known for spreading love on Valentine's Day? Is it Cupid, Santa, or the Easter Bunny? Great job! It's Cupid! Question 6. Which gift is a classic Valentine's Day surprise? Is it a teddy bear, a football, or a backpack? That's right, it's a teddy bear. Question 7. Which letters are often used to mean hugs and kisses in Valentine's messages? Is it XOXO, Xmas, or ABC? That's right, it's XOXO. Question 8. Which special meal do some people enjoy on Valentine's Day? Is it breakfast in bed, a fancy dinner, or a picnic? Yes, it's a fancy dinner. Question 9. Which color is often used to decorate for Valentine's Day? Is it blue, green, or red? Great job! It's red. Question 10. What does Cupid use to spread love? Is it a magic wand, a bow and arrow, or a book? Yes, it's a bow and arrow.
Now it's your turn! How do you like to celebrate Valentine's Day? Do you like making cards, eating chocolate, or giving flowers? My favorite part of Valentine's Day is sharing love and kindness with everyone. Well, that's it for today's Valentine's Day celebration. Remember, Valentine's Day is about love, kindness, and friendship. See you next time, little friends. Happy Valentine's Day!